6 working women who set out to make history, and today, 10 years after they started, stood face to face with Walmart in the Supreme Court. And watching them from around the country, watching this case, millions of women asking the questions in the courtroom, the fired up justices, including one who was a trailblazer for gender equality under the law. And Terry Moran is here with all the drama today. Terry.
It was a fascinating and dramatic day at the court, Diane. This is a case about seeking justice, about how our law should deal with claims of sex discrimination at the biggest company in the world. And some of the different ways men and women look at the world seem to play out on the court itself.
We won't stop until we've won!
On the plaza of the Supreme Court, a few protesters gathered, while inside the highest court in the land, some of the women of Walmart, the plaintiffs here, watched from the gallery. On the bench for the first time in a gender discrimination case, 3 women justices sat to hear their plea, and all 3 tore into the case. Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who more than any other lawyer in America advanced the cause of women's rights before she became a judge, grilled Walmart's lawyers about revealing internal statistics. The company gets reports month after month, she said, showing that women are disproportionately passed over for promotion and there is a pay gap. Isn't there some responsibility on the company? Theodore Boutrous, Walmart's lawyer, said the statistics were misleading. It does not show there were gender gaps at the stores among comparable people. But several of the male justices were sharply skeptical. Justice Kennedy, it's not clear to me what is the unlawful policy that Walmart has adopted. And Justice Scalia told that Walmart's own management training materials included the statement that men are more aggressive in seeking advancement, blurted out, "If you have an aggressive woman, promote her." Outside, a Walmart executive echoed the company's argument that the experiences of just a handful of women, even if true, are just not typical of what happened to more than 1 million other women who worked at Walmart, and so cannot be the basis for this gigantic class action against the company.
What's wrong with this case is that 3 plaintiffs are trying to represent more than 1.5 million associates. I've had a very positive experience at Walmart, like thousands of other women.
Betty Dukes, one of the women who is trying to bring this case on behalf of so many others, was undaunted.
If they rule against us, the fight has just begun. It's just begun.
Well, this court has generally been a pro-business court, and so the women who brought this case may face a real challenge winning it, Diane, even with 3 women justices.